Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this holiday freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use a sheer polish by Pure Ice called Satin Ribbon, white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, and I'm going to use a glitter and red nail stripers. So I already painted my nails with the sheer pink polish, and using the red nail striper, I'm going to draw two lines on the top and the bottom of my nails. Now, I wasn't going to record this design. On my Instagram, if you follow me, I do pictures and I don't record them. And then I do the recorded, designs. I wasn't going to do this. I was just going to do a picture of it and post it on my Instagram. But I love how this came out, so I decided let me record it. Then using my silver glitter stripe, I'm just going to fill in the middle of the lines. I just thought it'd be perfect and pretty, adding a whole bunch of glitter. It's the holidays, and the more glitter, the better. So I just love how this came out. I love all the glitter. I love adding glitter to anything I can. Then using my red glitter striper, I'm going to just cover the red lines with it. That red glitter is just glitter. It doesn't have no red paint to it, but something about it just makes the red pop. It just gives it like a pretty pearly glam look. And then using my nail dotter, I'm just going to add some white dots. You don't have to add the dots, but I just think adding those dots just bring this whole look together. Something about it just makes it more festive. You don't have to add as many dots as me neither. I was going to go a little bit more crazy, but I decided not to. And then I'm going to finish it off with a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.